S2S Electronics, what we do is a combination of different things. First of all, we manufacture electronics, which involves the design of electronic circuit boards, the manufacture of electronic circuit boards, which includes surface mount technology and pinhole through technology. We then put that product into a box for clients if necessary. But what we also offer the client is a full recycling service on that product. And again, that could be refurbishment or recycling. And that potentially allows us to use components again that we can reuse in the remanufacture of new goods, whether that be parts or components. In addition to that, we offer an overall recycling and refurbishment service to other clients. This is essentially where we recycle the mobile phones, and what we do is we take old mobile phones from corporate businesses. We then wipe them of all the data using a piece of software called Blanco. So we can take the phones, we can give the customer a report to say it's been wiped of all the data, and then we basically resell the mobile phones, either through our eBay account or in bulk through brokers.
We're going to spend about an hour now taking apart some products.
Well, we started with a couple of mobile phones, which are here and here. And the one mobile came apart quite easily and went into its various components, and that was an LG. So it's good that the newer one's easier to take apart. We've got hydrogen and carbon and oxygen because they're what's in the plastics, rare earths and all sorts of things. And we've got a jeweller in the group, so that's helpful for knowing. I've got O-level chemistry, so that's a huge help. I think quite how much people are enjoying doing it, actually. I've got this plan to just amass some ancient electronic equipment and give it for Christmas with a screwdriver set, you know.
We've been disassembling a laptop, so we've taken it apart, we've removed the mercury backlight, recovered the components in here with gold and silver on the circuit board, indium on the layers of the screen, there's aluminium in there, silver in there, so precious metal. We did break it, which was a bit naughty. we were levering the edges of the glass part. The screen element of it was difficult to take apart. I think if you wanted to upgrade this, you could possibly upgrade it, but for recycling it, it's quite difficult. It's really labour intensive. No, it's quite therapeutic, really, breaking things apart.
We're taking apart a Toshiba laptop.
Yeah.
We've pretty much broken it down to all its constituent levels without resorting to a hammer. So we're quite pleased with the way it's come apart.
Look at your laptop and models of different models of selling it or making it more circular. In terms of upgradability, you can upgrade laptop. When you're buying your internet package off whoever, TalkTalk, would you be comfortable leasing a laptop through them as well?
Looking at sort of the leasing side of it, when said and done, when these things have reached the end of their life, what do you do with them? You stick them up in the loft. Whereas if there was a take-back scheme and it was a secure take-back scheme, then why own it, why not lease it?
Yeah, a lot of my clients have gone to thin client or virtualization. They can now get an extra 2 years life out of a laptop because it has to do less because it's all happening elsewhere. So you can see a model there, a kind of combined data and hardware model emerging.
We've got to find ways for designers to build in fashion emphasis, making things covetable by the fact that they are good.
Yeah.
They're better for you and they're better for the planet and all the rest of it. And I know some of that happens already, but there must be space for more of that.
Re-energising manufacturing, and it's happening. We're seeing it from pants to electronics. It's happening all over the country, and I think it will continue to happen because China needs to make more for China. it will make less for everybody else. And so I think circular economy isn't just about resources. It's really important. The hippie stuff is really important, but it's about business as well.